Are you a foreign national who has recently arrived in the United States and you fear going back to your home country for whatever reason it might be? It might be religious persecution, it might be related to your gender, it might be related to something that's immutable, perhaps as how you identify, whether you are lesbian, gay, transgender. Well, the fact of the matter is that the asylum process may be the right option for you, but that has very specific details and very specific requirements in order for you to be successful. Hi, my name is Hess. I am an immigration attorney here in the greater Houston area. I'm the owner and founder of Hess Law Firm. We focus on immigration law. We have offices in the Woodlands and in Houston. We service clients in all 50 states as well as servicing clients internationally. Now, when people think of asylum, they think that you just come to the border, declare asylum, and perhaps that's the end of the story. But it's never that simple. The fact of the matter is that when you arrive in the United States and you're interested in applying for asylum, you need to go through what's called the Affirmative asylum process. That is, within the first year that you're here in the United States, you have to apply. That application goes with Immigration Services. Now, sometimes you will file the paperwork and you have your interview pretty quickly. Other times you'll file the paperwork and at some point in time, immigration will call you up and say, hey, we're going to interview you. Now, it's important to work with an attorney because the idea is that you want to put together the best possible packet that you can, because there's not always an opportunity to amend the packet. So if you're trying to do this via Google, you're going to get Google results. That is, you're getting what you pay for. Now, the idea is that when you apply, you have to outline why you qualify for asylum, not just that you fear going back. The officer is going to want to know very specific questions of who was prosecuting, when they were prosecuting you, how you know you're being prosecuted, what type of evidence, or do you have supporting evidence from other people, perhaps third parties. There are a variety of different ways that we can gather together this evidence. But during the time frame in which you're applying for asylum, you can get a work permit so that you're here in the United States legally and that you're at least going through the process that's required. Now, if you're getting to the point where you're actually going to have the interview itself, but you previously did the application by yourself, well, at this point in time, you should still consider hiring an attorney. The idea is that we can help you prepare for your interview. We'll go through several rounds to identify what your weak points are, things that you need to emphasize, things that you should talk about. And then we can also accompany you to the interview itself. The advantage of doing all of that is that this is the simplest and easiest way to get your asylum approved, because if you can get it approved here, then you don't have to do anything else. But if it's not approved, then we go to the defensive immigration process. So if you're here in the United States and want to apply for asylum but don't know how, give us a call. You can check out our website, you can find additional information. But the fact of the matter is that by setting up an appointment with us, we can talk to you about your case, where you're from, what your objectives are, how you can qualify for asylum, and based on that, we can prepare the best application for you. And in an alternative, if you already did a lot of the work yourself but still want somebody to prepare you for your upcoming interview, then we can also work with you. Either way, give us a call. Look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you out reaching your goals.